1. Access Instagram app at the LedgerTRM application on your device. 2. Check for broadcast option. If you already have the broadcast option, go to the top right corner where you'll find the messenger icon. Click on the icon, then select the broadcast channel. 3. Create a broadcast channel. Tap on the pen and paper icon at the top right corner, which is used for creating content. Select Create a Broadcast Channel from the options. 4. You can verify your account. Note that not everyone has the option to create a broadcast channel. Users with verified accounts or those on a waiting list may have access. If you don't see the option, ensure your account is set to a creator account in the settings. 5. Switch to creator account and access settings. Under the account section, switch your account type to creator. 6. Report the issue. If you're unable to create a broadcast channel, report the issue to Instagram support. Tap on Help in Settings, then select Report a Problem. Briefly explain the issue and attach a screenshot if necessary. Send the report and wait for Instagram to respond. 7. Wait for Instagram's response. Instagram may provide assistance or offer further instructions based on your report. By following these steps, you can try to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Remember that not all accounts have access to this feature, so you may need to wait for Instagram's response or meet certain criteria to gain access. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.